Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by diagnosing the update issue step by step with clear checks. Check that your device runs Android 8, 0 or iOS 13, 0 or higher before updating. Verify you have at least 500 MB free storage available on your device. Confirm that your Wi-Fi is stable and not using a captive portal or metered network. Open the Play Store or App Store and verify that the latest Alight Motion update is visible and ready to install. Apply quick fixes in a specific sequence to resolve most update errors reliably. First, clear the app cache and app data from settings, then restart the device and retry the update. If that fails, export all active projects as MP4 and create a JSON backup or two before uninstalling. Uninstall Alight Motion, then reinstall from the official store and restore your exported files. Finally, confirm storage and network permissions. Use advanced steps only if quick fixes do not resolve the problem for you. If the official update causes crashes, install a stable older APK version cautiously after backing up files. Consider joining the Play Store beta to receive early fixes and test stability before public release. Collect error messages, screenshots, and logs, and contact Alight Motion support with those details for targeted help. Only consider a factory reset as a last resort after you back up every project and personal file.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.